Hello everyone, this is Tushar and welcome to Learning Friends. Today we are going to learn about one tool, one option in the Power BI, which is Edit Interaction tool. Let's try to look at what this Edit Interaction can do. Let me first do one thing. Uh, I'm just giving a filter here for like this one, month and year. We can give the filter for this, no? And after that, I want graph bar chart for I want, and in that I want to see this. I want the sales amount basis their category name. So let me first turn on the sales amount amount by category, right? And I want one more bar graph, right? And in that I want to calculate um, category and the sales amount, right? um, let's see if I put the filter on December 2011, so it will give me the data for that particular month only. But in this case I want but first let me ch- title. Okay, not looking good. Use this one only. All right. And yeah, okay, all time sales amount by category, right? I want this visual to be changed by this filter, but in this case I want to showcase the sales amount by category for all the time, for all the sales available here in the database, right? So how can I do that? There is one feature is there in Power BI, which is edit interaction. So let's see how we can use this functionality, right? Let's suppose if I have chosen January 2011, so that you can see in both the visual we can see similar data, right? So how we can do the changes here? When you click to this filter, so you get one option as edit interaction, and when you click on it you will get these kind of things: filter, none, filter, none. So what it these signs are telling, no, when we have used the edit and interaction on this filter, so it is showing me how this is affecting the available filters in that page, right? So as you can see, the dark area is on filter part. So let's suppose if I put the button on none, right? Now the values are changed. So now we are getting all our values of scooty, bike, truck and car, right? So let see the changes. So whenever I'm changing the values like month and year from the filter, but you can see these values are changing, but the values are not changing in the second visual. Why? Because I have cancelled all the interaction of this slicer with this visual, right? So This is the work of edit interaction so that we can cut the interaction of one visual with the slicer or filter, right? So that's how we can use the edit interaction. There is one point why we actually use this edit interaction. Nowadays, many companies are asking how you can increase the performance of your Power BI. Let's suppose they will ask you like, uh, our Power BI page is taking like 40 seconds to load all the data, but we want to load the data in 30 seconds. So how you can do it? They just want to know your strategy. What will you do first? So you have to say that you have to check the all the data, like all the visual. If we can use this functionality edit interaction, if the situation requires it, so I use this feature edit interaction there. So this is one of the ways so that we can increase the speed of our visual. Although it's based on the situation, if the situation allows us to do this, we can only use this method, no? And if not, we cannot use it. So now you can see when we are changing the values, this first visual is changing its values, but second one is still same because we have cut the interaction with this slicer with this bar graph. So that's how we can use the edit interaction option available in Power BI. Okay, guys, this is all for this lecture. So we will meet in our next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.